Here I have Motorola Moto G54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, first you will need to remove case. So let's get it. Then you should find SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. Take the tool like this one. You can insert it inside this hole, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you should insert SIM card, and here you should insert SD card. And then back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately shows me some kind of notification like SD card detected, tap to setup, which proves that SD card is detected. And to prove you that SIM card is also detected, we go to like this network and internet, I guess. Mobile network, and as you can see now it has like my SIM card, SIM 1, as you can see my number and my operator too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.